So, hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Let's say you did the right thing, you paid for FaceApp Pro to get rid of that pesky Watermark and unlock the full suite of features. But when you save your photo, the logo is still sitting right there in the corner. It feels like a rip-off, I would say, but it's almost always a simple sync issue. According to official support documentation, removing the watermark is a core feature of the Pro subscription, but it requires the toggle switch to be turned off. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go and talk about all of this fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So to actually toggle off the watermark in settings, all you need to do is open the app right here, go to this Pro section, pay for your Pro subscription. If you can't see it, tap on already subscribed, regain your access, okay whatsoever, then go all the way to settings. Right now, you would be able to access all of the Pro settings. Now, basically, it's time to go through the watermarks, turn it off, and all of this. Or, as I told you before, you can easily go and tap Restore Purchases if the toggle is grayed out or it keeps turning back on. Your subscription isn't syncing, so in the settings menu or in this Pro section, go ahead and regain access to the purchase. You can also go and check your App Store account or Play Store. Make sure you are signed into the same correct Apple ID or Google account that you used to originally buy the subscription. If you have multiple accounts, FaceApp might be checking the wrong one for the receipt. Sign out of your App Store account, sign back in with the correct one, then restore purchases again. As a last resort, we're gonna go ahead and reinstall the app. So that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.